Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified.
I'm in the she shop, but I'm not going to stay in the she shop. It's a gorgeous day. It's not raining and it's not too windy. So I'm going outside to spray paint some stuff. But I have a new product I want to try. So I wanted to come inside and tell you guys what I'm using so that you can actually hear me talking. It's a little noisy out there at the moment. Victoria has a friend over as well, so there may be kids running around and, you know, it's just one of those things. It's Rust-Oleum Rust Reformer. I've not used this before. So supposedly, from what I've read, it will take something that is really crusty, rusty and make it a paintable surface. Stop the rust from proceeding and then make it a paintable surface. Well, I have these two cafe chairs, and you can kind of see them in the grass here in this picture. But I picked these up at Pickett 2 years ago, and they've been sitting on the side of my house. They're part of the Doom Pile project. I now have seat bottoms right here, these black ones, and then seat backs right here. So they are ready to be completed, except that they are rusty as all get out and they need to be painted. So I'm going to actually paint them white, but instead of going through, I was going to go to a sandblaster. That's what I was kind of waiting for, was I was going to take them to a sandblaster and have them sandblasted and kind of do what I needed to do to get it all cleaned off. But then when I saw this product, I thought, oh, maybe it'll work, right? So we're going to give this a try. First things first is you'll see me out there. I'm going to grab a bucket and a scrub brush, and I'm going to clean it off. It's been sitting outside, so the legs are quite dirty, but I'm going to scrub as much of the rust and dirt off of it as I can. And then once it's dry, we're going to hit it with the Rust Reformer. So this is one product I really hope works. For all the stuff that I paint and having to sand down rust, please work. I don't know how it works. I don't know. It just says instantly converts rust to a protected paintable surface. So, I don't like that it's black. Once the save, you know, because I'm going to paint white over it, but it is what it is. And we're going to get it. I have 2 chairs. I'm hoping this is enough for 2 chairs. I'm doubting it is. I have to go buy more of this. But we're going to try it. It's worth a try. All right. So next, you'll see me outside. See, it's been sitting out for a while. They're a little dirty, but very, very rusty. Hopefully this stuff works. Well, this is absolute trash because it's already clogged. It was extremely difficult to spray. It's very thick. It's hard to come out of this. It's one of these, which, dear Rust-Oleum, we will pay extra to have the comfort spray, right? I mean, this is stupid. Why even have this anymore? And it's now nothing's coming out. Like, there's a tiny, tiny bit coming out. I can't use it. So now I've paid for this and I can't even finish the project that I wanted to use it on. So epic fail, Rust-Oleum. I mean, I know it's probably has to be thick for some reason to stop the rust or whatever. You need to find a better solution than this spray nozzle, because this is terrible. I'm not happy. Not at all. So this is very frustrating. Epic fail. Okay, so I decided to try this product as well. This is the Rust-Oleum, their ginormous can. You can see it's like 4 larger projects. So I have the 2 chairs, and I'm gonna forego the rust protector, and we're gonna do this. This has the wide tip, and I already tried it on one to make sure it would work because I don't want another fail. So it did work on the one chair. I'm gonna spray the other chair and right over the top of what did come out of the rust reformer. I was so not happy. Don't waste your money on that. I did look it up, and they do have a brushable rust reformer. Maybe I'll try that in the future, but right now I'm so fed up. I am so frustrated with companies putting out products like this where, I mean, it came out for a fraction of a second, then clogged. And I mean, if you have any kind of weakness in your hand, you wouldn't even got what I got out of it. Let me show you what I got out of it. I got one leg, the side, half of that leg, and a little bit there. That was it before that clogged up so bad I couldn't use it anymore. That's just a crap product in my world. This is the other chair. I went ahead and did use this on it, so this is working. We're gonna get this one spray painted too, and that's just gonna have to be good enough. Rust-Oleum's having a bad day. This product is spitting like crazy. So it's spitting, it's leaving a texture on the piece. I mean, it's already texturized because of the rust, but this one is like literally spitting. I'll show you. See the wonderful spit drips there? That's just awesome. It's not covering very well either, so this is not what we've come to expect from Rust-Oleum, and I'm just disappointed that there's 2 products in one day that are this bad. It's just, there's no other word for it. They're just bad. Worst part is I am a Rust-Oleum girl. I like my 2X, right? I should have never gotten something different than did 2X. I mean, I'm like, lesson learned again. But I like my Rust-Oleum products. You guys have seen it. You're on the channel all the time. You know I've like tried them all, and most of them I'm like, yay. This is not a yay. This is not a yay day. So I'm going to get these finished. I'm going to paint them. I'll flip them over in a minute and get the tops painted, but it's just really disappointing, Rust-Oleum. Like, do better. Sorry, do better. That top on that rust reformer, don't ever use that. It's just crap. No one wants that, and if the product's too thick to go through it, come on. You know better. You've tried it. I mean, quality control fell asleep that day. My husband and I just had a discussion on whether or not that rust reformer was old. Well, there's no expiration date on it, so it's like, how do you know? Right? Like, how do you know? I'm just disappointed. I'm going to get those chairs painted up, and that's it. That's my project for today. They'll be finished and ready for the next step in the process. That's not all going to happen today, but yeah, the chairs will be cute white, just plain white, and I know the rust will eventually pop through them, but I can't afford sandblasting because I'll never get my money out of them. So that was my thing, was I was going to take them, get them sandblasted, and there's just no way for me to get my money back because of the prices that I have to charge, because people think nothing's worth anything anymore. I mean, we are so we are so a fast fashion sort of culture now that it's like, well, I go to Target and I get it for $20. I'm like, good for you. This is, you know, I'm gonna pay $50 in sandblasting and not get my money out of it, so I'm not gonna do it. If I was keeping them, I would, but I'm not keeping them. So I'm gonna paint them, and hopefully that they're not, you know, if they're outside, they will continue to rust, but there is rust inhibitor in Rust-Oleum products, so we're gonna hope that it's enough if they have them inside. And that's my Rust-Oleum fail for the day. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junking. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.